Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video I will teach you how to use WhatsApp account on two different phones. If you want to use your WhatsApp account on two different phones, officially it is not possible, but there is an alternative way. With that way you can use your WhatsApp account on two or more than two phones. So what you have to do, you have to log into your first phone with normal WhatsApp, and then you have to go to your second phone. From here you have to open Google Chrome and then open google.com. Here you have to search for WhatsApp web, and then here you will see the first site. You have to click on it. After opening the site, then you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side. Click on desktop site, and then here you will see a QR code will be visible. Now you have to go to your first phone and you have to open WhatsApp. And then you have to click on these three lines. And then click on WhatsApp web. Now your first phone will be ready to scan the QR code. You have to scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, you have to refresh the page. And here you can see same WhatsApp is now opened in our second phone. Now you can send and receive messages from second phone also, and you can make calls also. At any time if you want to log out from first phone, you can log out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.